We're going to do an update here on the road. This is the mobile computer setup, mobile dog setup, and we're talking about the dash cam. So up front on the review mirror I've got a dash cam. It points forward and it records everything that goes on out the front of the vehicle. And it's got a 64 gig chip in it, and I empty that chip each night, and I thought I'd give you an idea as to scale and to how much drive time that is. So if you look on this screen, each of these files is a 10-minute video and a little photo preview. So there's two of these little images for each of the files on this machine, and those red ones are them driving it in to get the alignment done before I left on the trip. And then as I'm scrolling down, these are me driving around Tucson, then me leaving Tucson, driving through New Mexico, a 6-hour drive up to Albuquerque, and then these last photos are in parking lots and stuff when I was farting around doing some projects last night. So this was an entire day's worth of 6-hour driving, as well as a day farting around before the trip, a little bit before that even, and then everything in the parking lots and driving around last night here in Albuquerque. So that's on one 64 gig chip. These are each 10-minute files, so it actually stores quite a bit of information. The way a dash cam works is it gives the camera a portion of the card, and then it starts to eat the old files to lay down new ones. So this is a loop basically from a day or so ago and 7 hours ago probably worth of driving. And if I would have driven another 2 hours yesterday, it would have probably eaten another hour's worth of these videos to lay down new ones on the other end of the file, on the other end of the folder. So that's something to keep aware of, and that's why I'm downloading them off the chip onto a little portable hard drive. These are about $100 or less for 2 terabyte, so a whole bunch, 2,000 gigabytes, and I can put the entire trips worth of dash cam footage onto here. I have almost everything from the last trip. I should have literally everything from this trip, and it's been pretty easy. Now I can see the previews. When I find the videos I want, I kind of can narrow in based on the preview, find the video I want, stick it into my video editor, further slice it down to get just the pieces I need, and then hopefully come up with some interesting highlights from the drive or the whatever location I might be visiting. So that's a quick insight to this dash cam using a 64 gigabyte card. It allows me to have about 7 hours worth of drive time, and I need to remove those files about every 7 hours if I want to not lose them to the process of the dash cam's cycle. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Join us on the Daily Gun Show. We talk about the adventures in the van and the gun shops that we visit every weekday at midnight Eastern. And until then, hey puppy, say goodbye. Yeah, she's not even waking up. Alright, thanks for watching.